Hey everyone, Juan here from Trilogy Services and AC, and today we're installing a 5-ton 16-SEER Carrier's AC system in this lovely home. Call us today and install your new cooling and heating system in your home, and ask about our financing options that offer low interest rates and zero down. Contact us today at the number on your screen and ask about our UV light promo. The benefits of having a UV light is that it kills 99% of bacteria, organisms, and viruses that are currently affecting our health today. We are Trilogy Services AC, and we're ready to fulfill all your HVAC needs. Call us today and we'll take care of you. And always remember, be cool, be green, and be healthy. Take care.